Well, my Christmas present has just arrived. Let's see. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, that's nice and heavy. Well, looky here. Brand new CBN wheel. This is 80 grit with radius corners and a grinding surface on both sides. There seems to be something else in here. Looks like another wheel. Here we are, 1.5 inch wide. This is a 350 grit wheel. The other one's an 80 grit wheel, and they are heavy. So I know what I'm doing now. I'm going to let that turning sit for a while and set these up. So the first thing you'll notice here is you need to remove your guards from your grinder in order to use the 1.5 inch wide CBN wheels. I have done that, and now I'm going to slip on the fine wheel on the left side, the shoulder, like that, and that fit quite well. Here I am installing the optional washer set. After the wheels were all set up, I checked with the dial indicator, and both wheels had only 1/1000th of an inch run out. This I've just figured out, it's concaved, and this one is convex. They fit inside of each other, and that would allow things to square up, because this will slip and slide and find a natural alignment. This one goes on first, and then I need to get some grease to put in between there, and then the nut, and then we'll try spinning this up by itself. And here's the nut. I don't know if I laid them in the right order. Yep, that's the right one. Okay, let's try this with just one. That spun up pretty nice. It runs smooth. Looks like it's in good balance. As soon as it stops, I'll put the other wheel on. I went ahead and installed my second wheel. It's a 80 grit, 1.25 inch wide with radius corners, and also has a grinding surface that goes down. That's probably about a full inch down here. This one here again is 1.5 wide with the grinding surfaces. No radiuses on the corners. I spoke with Ken at WoodTurners Wonders, where I ordered these, for quite a while, and he was very helpful, helping me pick out what would probably work best for me. And he recommended the 350 grit on here for really getting a nice keen edge on your gouges. This would be more for shaping them, and this would be more for really keeping them sharp. Let's try them both out together, and I'm sure it'd be an advantage to give them a little spin, but before I do that, let's just see if they'll take off. I didn't hear it straining, and it never has been real fast to get up to speed, but I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, I'm going to try the 80 grit out on my scraper. Oh boy, does that have a burr on it. Whew. I just sharpened my 5/8 bowl gouge on the new CBN wheel, the 350 grit wheel that I just purchased, and I think you can see how smooth that grinds that. Here's my Rikon Grinder set up with the new CBN wheels that I purchased. I'm very happy with these CBN wheels. I think they installed and ran very, very true. And just to make it clear, I have no connection with WoodTurners Wonders where I purchased them. I bought these wheels hoping for the best, and I'm very happy with what I got. I spent my career with precision made items, and I can tell you these are very well made and very precise. The best part was working with Ken. He helped me pick out the wheels that fit my needs, and I have absolutely no complaints with that. I will put his link in the description below. The reason I made this video was for those who are wondering, just like I was, about what should I get and who should I get them from. There are so many options and places you can purchase these. I can't say that one is better than the other. I feel lucky that I stumbled across the WoodTurners Wonders, so I'm extremely pleased with them. I hope this video helps to explain how you install them and what it takes. It's very simple. It's not complicated at all. And thank you for watching.